Number 29 is about taglines. One Heart is the tagline of Honda, and I'm Loving It is McDonald's. I believe that you have known it all. And then for short answer, it is about the negative form, yeah. I hope you still remember here. So able, the negative form of able is unable. Here, unable. And then legal, the negative form is illegal. Illegal. Polite becomes impolite. Here, when you're done using the computer, make sure to disconnect it. She was fired because she was inefficient. So see here, unable, illegal, impolite, disconnect, and inefficient. It all use different types of prefix. Now number 36 to number 45. Number 36, it is the relative clause. Number 1, the girl blah blah place you are sitting. Gadis yang tempatnya kamu duduki, so we use whose here. Number 37, the place where, okay, clear enough ya. Everyone blah blah replies, setiap orang yang menjawab will get a free DVD. So you have who is here. 39, she didn't pass the exam, which yang berarti she has to repeat the year. Number 40, do you like the boy whom Mary is talking to? Apakah kamu menyukai laki-laki yang sedang berbicara, yang Mary sedang berbicara dengannya? Number 41, Johnny Depp is an actor who suffers from down phobia. Number 42, phone Mr. Smith for Mrs. Smith, whom you have to talk to tomorrow. 43, 1945 was the year when, it's clear enough ya, when. Then number 44, the agent whom I spoke with was able to help me. Number 45, I've spoken to John whose house were burglared last Monday. Saya telah berbicara dengan John yang rumahnya habis dirampok Senin kemarin. Okay, see here. I will repeat the tips that I have taught you in the classroom. That when a sentence and then you've got verbs here, kata kerja, replies, and then suffers here. So the answer is who, means that it is the subject. But if after the relative you've got another person, like this one, Mary, you, and then I, this is another person. It's different from the one that we are talking in the first. So you use whom. Jadi kalau mengerjakan relative clause, kalau setelah relative clause itu ada subjek yang lain ya, yang berbeda dengan yang sedang dibicarakan, berarti pakainya whom. Ini ya bisa dilihat, setelah relatif adanya Mary, setelah relative clause you, setelah relatif ada I, yang mana beda dengan yang sebelumnya, maka pakainya whom. Tapi kalau setelah relatifnya itu ada kata kerja, berarti kemungkinan besar memakainya who. That's the tip ya. Jadi you can remember what comes after the relative. Is it a verb or is it another subject? If it's a verb, then you use who. If it is another subject, then you use whom. Okay? And how about whose? If after relative is a noun, then maybe the answer will whose. Like this one ya. House is a noun, kata benda, so you use whose. Okay, in case you need a tips to do that. Next, we come to the next number 46 to number 50. Change the sentences into passive. There are two aspects to consider when you write about passive. The first one, is it present tense or past tense, and the subject. See, they wear blue shoes. if you make into passive, then blue shoes comes first. Mereka memakai sepatu biru. So the passive is sepatu biru dipakai oleh mereka. Okay. Is this present or past? It's present ya. They wear. Okay, present. And then let's start from the blue shoes. Singular or plurals? Okay, it's plural ya. Plural. Then after plural, because it is plural, you use are. Right? Number 2, my mom picks my sister up. It is present or past? Yeah, it is present. You've got it. My mom picks my sister up. So if you want to make it into passive, you start from my sister. Singular or plural? Singular, so you use is. Verb 3, pick up by my mom. Number 48, Satria kept the milk in the refrigerator. Is it present tense or past tense? Yes, right, it is past tense because it used kept. Okay, let's start from the milk. The milk disimpan Satria di kulkas. The milk is singular, so you use was ya. Was because it is past tense, was kept by Satria in the refrigerator. Okay. And the last, number 49 and 50, is about punctuation and capitalization. Number 1, make sure that you always start a sentence with capital letter, right? When it rains, comma, I don't, unit apostrophe, I don't like to ride my bike to school. Number 50, start the sentence with capital letter. My aunt, comma, Mary, comma, lives in San Jose, comma, California. You've got comma here as the appositive and here as the geographical location in which you have to separate by comma. Okay, that's all. If you still have any questions, you can ask me. Thank you.